Guangdong HanSom Hardware started production in 2017 in Zhongshan. After 7 years steady development, Zhongshan established 150,000 square meters production base with wide-range automated equipment, launched HanSom brand, and released 4 series of products. Best sellers from HanSom are drawer box and concealed slides. In addition to R&D, craftsmanship is also visible from each step of production. High-efficient slotting, high-strength stamping, accurate welding, automatic robot arm processing, automatic assembling, full inspection with function and surface, each step of meticulous input, incubated high stability of drawer box and concealed slide, also boosted HanSom's growth of automation and production capacity. HanSom high-end hinges are manufactured with advanced machines and premier material, which enable each hinge components precisely formed. High-level electroplating make hinges in line with rows and reach standard. Full automatic assembly delivers high stability and productivity. Full inspection before packaging make each hinge durable and reliable to customers. HanSom high-end ball-bearing slides is not only originated from premier steel, but also from meticulous production process. Precisely designed slotting machine, regular roller measurement ensure accurate control of tolerance. Progressive stamping make each rail precisely formed. Full automatic assembly seamlessly connects with full inspection. HanSom ball-bearing slides are gaining fast-growing reputation and production capacity. HanSom are deeply aware of the critical importance of quality and delivery time. Therefore, HanSom launched several components production center, damper center, carton center, injection center, grinding wheel center. Make sure all key components parts precisely integrated into HanSom products. Moreover, HanSom sets up strict standard for each process. Continuously launch test facilities for both components and completed product. Empower product research and production. Jointly create HanSom high-quality name card and explore infinite product development possibilities. HanSom Hardware. As a fresh force in hardware industry, persist of customer-oriented service and user-oriented development. Commit to providing global customers the diversified solutions with better value, and pouring crafted design and smooth motion into home life. HanSom Hardware, your trust, our commitment.